Hi, this is Chef Ange. Today we're making homemade Oreo ice cream. Yum! Guess what? It's going to be 3 ingredients. That's right, 3. First, we're going to start with our 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Then we're going to move into our 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Last but not least, we're going to move in with our chopped Oreos. Well, not chopped yet, but Oreos. Probably about 4 or 5 to start. That's about how many you'll need. We'll get back to that a little bit later. So 30 minutes before we begin, we're going to place the metal mixing bowl and the mix beaters in the freezer to chill for 30 minutes. It gets us a nice chill before we blend everything in the bowl together. Okay, let's go ahead and put our beaters in our mixer. Get that started. Next, we're going to go ahead and pour our 2 cups of heavy whipping cream in there. Empty that out. Now we're going to blend that heavy whipping cream together, and we're going to bring it to a nice firm peak. Did anybody see my measuring cup moving? And you'll see what I mean by the peak. Stiff peaks is what they really typically say for about 7 minutes. Look at that peak. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and pour in our sweetened condensed milk, 14-ounce can. Get it all out of there. Mix again. We're going to mix all of that up well together. Give it a go for about 2 minutes. Now, perfect. Oreo cookie time. Now we're going to go ahead and put probably about 5 or 6 cookies in. We don't want to make our Oreo cookie ice cream too chocolate.
Put about 8 in there.
Right. I think you're right. Probably about 8 to 10 cookies, depending on how many Oreos you really like in your ice cream. So let's pour these Oreos on in there. Oreos in. Now we're going to go ahead and blend our mix together. Look at that mixture coming on together. Those Oreos folded in with that nice Oreo chocolate consistency. Then we're going to go ahead and take our spatula and fold it in one more time before we pour all of our ingredients into our freezer safe container. Let's do it. So we're going to go ahead and pour our mixture into the freezer safe container. Get all your ingredients out of the bowl. Make sure you don't leave anything in the bowl. We want our ingredients to be nice and evenly smooth across. You see that? Smoothing it out. Now we're going to pour the rest of our chopped Oreos on top. Yes, we are Oreo lovers. We love Oreo cookie ice cream. This is going to be so delicious, you guys. I'm telling you, when you make this at home with your family, they're going to love it. Look at that. Oh my God. Oreo cookie ice cream. Make sure you cover your container and freeze overnight. I'm back. You already know I had a batch of ice cream made. Stop playing. Anyway, let's dig into it. Oreo cookie ice cream. Yum, yum, yum. Look at that consistency. Delicious. Let's get these cones going. Look at them delicious cones. Yum, yum, yum. Serve them up, y'all. Serve them up. This is how you make homemade ice cream. The best. Homemade. Fresh is best. Get you those 3 ingredients and make your own flavors. I'm going to dive into this cone. We'll see you later. Ciao for now. Scream ice cream. Y'all scream for ice cream.